You join us today in Egton, inside the workshop of Jack Hallam Joinery, the sort of place where wood is coaxed, persuaded and occasionally threatened into becoming beautiful things. Jack's lads are in full swing, chisels flying, sawdust settling and everything looking suspiciously professional. But Jack's not staying, because running one of the best joinery firms in the area apparently isn't enough for him. No, Jack Hallam is a full-time carpenter, full-time farmer, and, if we're being completely honest, a borderline superhuman with the energy levels of a caffeinated
Wasn't expecting
Spaniard.
that, Jack.
No, it's bad, innit, Glenn?
Come down it past 5 minutes. You weren't like that when I came up.
Come on, Glenn, we're going to get some work out of you.
Where we going, Jack?
Sunny Egton, Glenn.
Is that near Whitby?
Near Whitby. We're feeding sheep round the workshop first.
Crazy, man.
And then we'll go back to the farm. We'll go in. Yeah, we're going to go next to the workshop. Go and find them. They're in here somewhere.
Glenn's been roped into filming in this blizzard. Glenn has known Jack since he was a teenage farm dweller, living somewhere technically near Egton Bridge, but realistically 2 miles up a track that appears on zero maps. Jack grew up in the sort of location where Amazon drivers simply give up and send your parcel their thoughts and prayers. But even back then, Jack loved sheep, mad for them, obsessed. The lad knows all his sheep by name, and the ones without names, he still knows which is which. He can glance at a flock and tell you who had a sore foot in 2018. So today, Jack has invited Glenn along for a simple task. Come feed the sheep, mate. In Jack speak, this translates to, come risk your life in a blizzard on a machine that goes like shit off a stick. Because the moment they step out of the joinery workshop, it's whiteout conditions. Wind horizontal. Visibility somewhere between poor and don't even bother. But does that slow Jack down? Absolutely not. The man fires up his farmer's chariot, an agricultural death rocket with four-wheel drive, and off they go across the North York moors. Most people wouldn't attempt these roads in summer. Jack takes them in 9 inches of snow while humming. Then they leave the roads altogether. Of course they do. Through fields, across drifts up to 4 feet deep, Glenn hanging on like he's in the sequel to Cool Runnings nobody asked for. And why all this effort? Because it's tupping season. The sheep are, well, busy, and Jack needs to keep them well fed so they can carry their lambs safely through winter. The man works nights during lambing with no sleep, then gets up, runs a joinery business, and still has the energy to sprint across a moor chasing a ewe that's decided she's had enough. Glenn's seen it. He's been there. The Hallams don't sleep. They power down occasionally, like laptops from 2004, then crack on again. But the story doesn't end with sheep. Oh no. On the way back, Jack turns into Egton's unofficial rescue service. He stops to pull cars and vans out of the blizzard. No charge, no fuss. Just a Moors lad doing what Moors lads do, helping out because someone needs a hand. But beneath all the chaos, the jokes, and the boys' day out energy, there's something far more serious going on. Farming in weather like this isn't a bit of fun. It's demanding, dangerous, essential work. Glenn knows it. He's seen Jack and his family go nights without sleep during lambing, pushing through exhaustion. Because animals' lives genuinely depend on them. Out here on the moors, people rely on Jack, whether they're stuck in snowdrifts, need pulling out of ditches, or simply need someone who knows the land better than any map ever could. Glenn looks up to Jack more than he'd ever admit on camera. The lad's an inspiration. Running a business, running a farm, raising a family, and still finding the energy to help everyone around him. And that's Jack Hallam, joiner, farmer, sheep whisperer, human snowplough, and possibly the most energetic man to ever set foot on the North York moors. Meanwhile, Glenn, he's just trying to stay alive in the worst November weather since who knows when.
Jack.
I know, it's sketchy. It's a great dip there, you say.
Yeah, we don't want to be going through course bushes, Jack.
Won't be up to here, I won't be.
Oh man, we're doing alright, aren't we? Fucking hell, Jack. Sorry, mate.
It's alright. Won't stop ringing. Right. I see a bit about it. Right. We're gonna try and get up here. I say try. We're gonna have to stop and walk up, open gate, and we're gonna have to just fucking go for it.
Just fly through it, Jack.
Oh,
here we go.
That's a slow gate, folks.
Right. Oh, let's dig. Jesus Christ.
Oh, we're on it. Alright, we're on top of the snow.
Are we alright?
Yeah, we're on it.
We're on
We've
it.
got to find shape.
Now, where's the shape?
I am. Put it this way, Glenn. I'm turning uphill and we're going out over the way. Right, that's 60 sheep up here somewhere.
60 sheep.
Oh, there they are. Can you see them? In distance through that gateway. Go on, lad. You get a bite as well.
Look at that one coming up here, Jack. Struggling to get up.
We'll leave a bit and take a bit down there.
Yeah. Come by. So now we're down at Jack's farm. I mean, how does he find time to sleep? Getting frisky?
Right, it's time of year, isn't it?
Oh, I used to have a girlfriend like that, Jack. Jack,
On that one?
Jack, does every shape have a name?
No, but I know them all.
You know each one?
Yeah, I can tell if something's missing as well.
You can tell if one's missing?
Yeah, and I know every single one's bred. But they have management tags in. See the coloured little tags, like them green little tags?
Yeah.
So they'll get proper electronic tags, but they're management tags. And then I can record, I know it's full breeding, it's right, family
Alright,
tree.
so you can look that up?
Yeah, yeah. So these are like on B&B they call it, so he's on holiday here through winter. So the dairy farmer, he sends his cows here and I look after them. And then he takes them back in spring.
So does he pay you for that?
Yeah. So this is haylage, and we made this beginning of June.
So you made it?
Yeah, down here at Thistle Grove, Hazelby. And then we put some knives in it, so it's nice and short for the sheep. And if you smell it, it smells sweet.
It smells nice, actually. God, it does actually smell like cut grass in summer. Who's John Wayne?
My favourite, it's up here.
So you've got a very favourite sheep?
Yeah, that boy, yeah.
No way. Why?
Look, you stood there, get a picture of the top now, man.
I'll get him in a minute, mate.
There he is, look at him, he's some specimen of a top.
Jack,
Yeah.
why is he your favourite?
Just because he's a hell of an animal. He's really well bred and he stands, his head's up in air. I genuinely have a soft spot.
Bit like the Cantona of the sheep world.
Better.
Better, mate. It's got it. I'm with you.
It's 9 inch.
9 inch and
Egton, when we measured it, yeah, it is.
9 inch of snow there.
Yeah.
Come by.
You don't come by me.
No, I'm Declo, mate. I just
Left for a sheepdog.
go left.
I mean, if you want it to go right, you shout way.
Where?
And if you shout that'll do it for it to come back to you.
So if I'm shouting come by to a sheep, you haven't got a clue?
No. Been shagging put out, he's feeling
He's finished, isn't he? He's worn out.
it. Lucky bugger. Come on, lad.
Come by.
I don't like you, Glenn.
So that's your favourite one?
Yeah. He's an aged up, he's good. Look at length of him, build of him.
How do you know he doesn't like me?
He's fucked up.
I can't explain to you how lucky you are to live out here. So
Its full twin was a very good tuck.
so that's a favourite as well.
Yeah.
Is he favourite too?
I've got a few.
Oh, that doesn't
that's-
work like that, Jack.
And that's her daughter there. Then that's the first tuck we went to. She's the mother of it, and it was full brother to her.
Do you know, Jack, though, you're only meant to have one favourite.
Ah, fuck it. Come on, let's go and feed her. Sick of this shit, bro. Fucking wet down here. Land, didn't you?
You was enthusiastic today as you were then.
No, I meant it's just this weather, and when it comes wet now.
The weather's pissing you off.
Well, it's just not, it's making work today, isn't it? Gives it.
Doing sliding again.
Yeah, we're going sideways rather than forward. See that blizzard over there, mate?
Yeah,
that's where we're
back into that.
That's where we're off now. I think it's digging right down, so it's just fighting itself.
Moor Road.
Yeah. See what we can see up here. Hazelby Village, 2 o'clock. Not the best, is it, Whitby photographer?
Oh, it's inclement.
Deep on here, like, what difference? A mile's made. All be on here because none of the ages are ploughed, have it? That'll be good then if it stops. And once just get back to normal. Welcome to sunny Whitby. It's sunny all year round.
Whitby bar, the sea. You were helping wagons last night?
Yeah, pulled 2 out, but
Would this pull one of them out?
well, we could have a look. Is he in there now? If me and Glenn are never seen again.
We're in there, Ted.
Hey, there's somebody there, isn't it?
Well, I can see a shape of something.
You know what he just said?
Just look at it out there.
It's good.
Bleak out there, Jack.
Shit. Do you need a pull?
To be honest, I'm not sure about moving.
Right, you're just going to keep here?
Yeah, because
On fucking trainers and trackers. So, here we go. Whoever runs the logistics side of Reed board call is a pen pusher and has no common sense.
Yeah.
So he's been told to stay here, which is more of a hazard, because look, with cars overtaking us, it's caused more of a hazard on a main road. Gritters can't grit there, tractors can't plough there. Yet, a pen pusher's told him not to move, yet we've offered him a pull, and a tractor's offered him a pull.
Yeah, and he's staying.
Because a pen pusher with no common sense.
So Jack just goes down the verge.
I don't know if that was a good idea. Jack didn't go down the verge.
We're not going down the verge.
Rip that off is a bad idea. Have they told him to stay there?
That's fine then. I always check with people. If it's something a little bit controversial, I check with
It's
people.
right, isn't it?
Yeah, he's causing an absolute scene there. And you could easily pull him up, could you?
Well, we'd have a go. He's been offered by a tractor and everything. Here's Dickie Smith, local knowledge. We need to go.
Go on, Dickie Smith.
Yeah. They're committed, they have livestock in. It's if his drivers and his drivers.
Yeah, well, people know this area, don't they?
Yeah. Right, what we need to do is, as soon as they get going, we need to get in this line and get out of here.
Yep, he's causing a tailback because he won't move.
These will get stuck now.
They'll all be stuck.
Fucking rough, isn't it? You stuck? No, you got a towing eye? You what? Like one of them things up screwed in front of your car? Find it, I'll give you a pull. Have you got a tow strap or not? Bye British. Support British farmers and jail and joinery.
good, that's
Right,
good.
we'll push him and we'll get you going.
Yeah,
Right,
thank
second
you.
traction control button.
Yeah, it's off. Yeah, it's
Right.
off.
Right, a bit more revs. Go on, right, don't stop. Go on. Right, number. Right, what? Right, let's try and get you out, mate.
Is that...
A button with squiggly tyre marks.
Let's try pull you out. He's got 4 hours.
Yeah. Because these fucking pulled me out down there.
There's no end to your talent, Jack. That might snap. Go on, Jack. Whoop, whoop.
Them trees over there.
Beautiful, aren't they?
That's the best thing about it.
And this road is the place as well, isn't it?
Yeah. We've been back out ploughing it, but it's still not very passable, especially for cars. And it's drifting a bit, but the snow has just stopped, shorter, but it's drifting across the road opposite Davison Farm to approach Egton Village. We just had to pull a delivery van out, he was stuck, we helped a car, young couple get going. We're heading into Egton, see how we get on. You want me to talk or not?
Yeah, keep talking, mate. Keep talking.
We're heading into Egton now. The tractors have ploughed it since we were last out, but it's still not good conditions, is it, Glenn?
Grim.
It's grim. There's a VW transporter, see how he's getting on in his car. We've just pushed that lad out, where's he going now? There's a lad coming in a car, we just given him a help a minute ago. Don't really know where he's going. I don't think he knows either. Looks a bit fucking spaced out. But yeah, it's if you're in a car, I'd recommend leave Egton big. 4-wheel drives, it's passable.
Glenn's got to get home.
Yeah, we might have to pull Glenn out of Egton yet. There's people have been struggling here. There's no wonder, but yeah, hopefully they come ploughing it again and get some grit on for tonight. Because I think some conditions tonight and in the morning will be awful, especially if it freezes. Will not be good. So.
Right, we're back to Hallam HQ.
For windows and doors, timber windows and doors, anything wood.